Hi everyone! This is Teacher Jumaila and finally, bakasyon na po tayo after months of lesson plans, reports, deadlines, meetings, and classroom chaos. This year, vacation is not just a break, it is a reset. For the first time in months na walang alarm para sa 5 p.m., walang lesson plan na hinahabol at walang may meeting po tayo mamaya. Teacher mode off muna and then human mode on. Pero syempre, dala pa rin natin ang pagiging guro kahit sa bakasyon may lecture sa sarili. This vacation taught me something important. Rest is not laziness, it is recovery. We don't always have to be productive, we don't always have to hustle. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is sleep. Teachers give so much time, energy, patience, and love, and this break is our way of giving something back to ourselves. This year wasn't easy. There were days na pagod ka na, days na gusto mo nang sumuko, at days na you question yourself. But look at you, you survived another year. If nobody told you this yet, I am so proud of you, lalo na kung guro ka o kahit sinong patuloy na lumalaban sa buhay. Vacation doesn't have to be expensive. Minsan, sapat na ang tahimik na kape, librong hindi lesson plan, simpleng lakad, mahaba at walang guilt na tulog. These small joys heal parts of us na pagod sa buong taon. As this year ends, I'm not making pressure field resolution. I am choosing peace over pressure, growth over perfection, and consistency over comparison. So next year, I want to be a better teacher, but also a healthier and happier person. To my fellow teachers watching this, you deserve this rest, you earn this break, and you are more than your job title. And to everyone watching, take this vacation as a reminder that you don't need to earn rest. Happy holidays and see you next year. And this is Teacher Jumala resting, reflecting, and resetting. Thank you. Bye bye.